The year was 1911, and two explorers were locked in a race to conquer one of the last great frontiers on Earth, the South Pole. On one side was Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen, a meticulous planner with years of polar experience. On the other was British naval officer Robert Falcon Scott, driven by a sense of national pride and determination. Their approaches were as different as their fates. Amundsen, ever the strategist, relied on what had been proven to work. His team used sled dogs, whose endurance and ability to thrive in harsh conditions gave them an edge. His supplies were carefully calculated, and his journey was meticulously mapped. In contrast, Scott chose a more complex approach. He used a combination of motor sledges, ponies, and man-hauling, methods that would eventually fail him in the brutal Antarctic conditions. The two teams began their journeys months apart. Amundsen, with his experienced team and adaptable sled dogs, made swift progress. Scott, burdened by failing equipment and the unsuitability of ponies in such harsh weather, faced delay after delay. On December 14, 1911, Amundsen and his team reached the South Pole. Planting the Norwegian flag in the snow, they became the first humans to set foot there. Their journey back was equally efficient, with all members of the team returning safely. It was a testament to preparation, adaptability, and teamwork. Scott's team, however, arrived at the South Pole over a month later, only to find the Norwegian flag already there. The crushing disappointment was evident, but the worst was yet to come. Exhausted, demoralized, and ill-prepared for the grueling journey back, Scott's team faced relentless snowstorms, dwindling supplies, and extreme cold. One by one, they succumbed to the unforgiving elements, leaving behind Scott's haunting journal entries as a record of their struggle. Amundsen returned to Norway as a hero, celebrated for his achievement. Scott's tragic story, on the other hand, became a tale of perseverance and sacrifice. Monuments were erected in his honor, and his name remains synonymous with courage in the face of insurmountable odds. The race to the South Pole is more than just a tale of victory and tragedy. It's a lesson in the power of preparation, the importance of adaptability, and the unforgiving nature of the world's harshest environments. Like and subscribe for more inspiring stories from history.